Want to fry down a little bit more. What is now?
Chicken is welcome back to another episode of Outdoor Cooking. And today we are at another river and we're gonna do some river cookout. Yeah, we're going to cook some food and enjoy this beautiful nature that we have at the river. Is really peaceful, so today we're just gonna do some cooking and we're going to make a toto, otherwise known as coconut cake. So stay tuned. We have the fire setting up to do some steamed fish and some crackers.
What do you think of the brown stew? Tanisha, get some fish scale and stuff.
Alright, so it's just because we can't go on the river to take no fish, we have
You have a bite.
Yeah, we purchase steamed fish then
Yeah, you have a bite.
at the fish store.
I know fish there, but we don't think we can catch them still. We can't catch them.
No, we're not catching them.
We more if we feed them more than catch them. Understand?
So as you can see guys, the fish them already scale and gut, so we don't have a lot of work to do. We just have to just clean them off and season them up, just like that.
That is it.
To the fish. Where Ricky over there, I get the fish them seasoned. Guys, this is the view of the river. It's so pretty. And here we have another section of the river. Really nice. As you go a little bit further, you can find some little secret location. If you come to the river, you want to be by yourself. You don't have to be with the crowd. Yes, you have some nice other place up here. If you want to be away from the crowd, you can go to this little secret part and enjoy yourself. This spot now, in this container we have the cock soup. We're going to mix it up and add it to the ground season that we already have in the pot. And guys, we're going to add the fish to its sauce now. The sauce cooked down and everything now, so we're going to go ahead and add the fish to the sauce. So stay tuned. So stay tuned to when we add the fish to the sauce. So guys, we add the crackers to the fish now. So we'll take it off now. So we get the crackers out of the pot now with the fish. Everything is finished now.
Tourist, come here. Come here.
Sorry, eat off here already. Okay. Over here, we have the fire catching up to make our toto, otherwise known as coconut cake. So we are getting the fire light up because you know we have to put fire under, most of the fire on the top and left a little under the bottom. So the toto can bake and everything on one level. So this is the coconut to make the toto. So I'm going to go ahead now and get my coconut grater. So this is the coconut. I can't believe it come out like that. Normally coconut would have come out with the shell, but this come out completely from the shell. Look at that, guys. Nice and white. We're going to go ahead now and get the coconut grater to put in our toto. This is the finished product now, the finished grater, the coconut. And look at this little friend we have here at the river. Hi, kitty. Hi. Tori's on another adventure with us. So you have Tori and Demar over there. Tori always cold. I don't know why she not stay her yard. Why are there river if you always cold and love river water, eh, girl? In this bowl, we're going to add all our dry ingredients to this bowl. So in this bowl, you have 3 cups of flour and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Much salt, and need a pinch of salt in here. Alright, that's it. We have some cinnamon. One teaspoon of cinnamon. Or 2, depends on how you like to taste the spice in there. Alright. Alright.
Oh, yes, you put down company, you couldn't company.
No, I'm going to go company so early.
Oh.
Go ahead now and combine all our dry ingredients. Alright, so everything is good for this now. Alright. Alright, as you can see, we're going to add some of these coconut we already grated. We're going to add it to the dry. Add some of it and we're going to juice some of it. Alright, that is enough. So we are juice the coconut now to get the coconut milk. Alright, to the coconut, to the wet ingredients now, I'm going to add 1 cup of sugar. Depends on how sweet you want, so you can add more sugar to it. Alright. You can stop it. Now I can pull this out. Alright. Heat up, so I'm going to add a little bit more cinnamon to it. Alright, you can stop it. So guys, we are going ahead now and combine our wet ingredients and our dry ingredients together. So see there, this is what it's supposed to be looking like. Alright, so stay tuned. Add it to the pot. Alright, the tota is on the fire now. It's almost finished now.
One cup of chicken. Curry. And stuff. So just stay tuned to see the rest.
Alright, so we get the curry and the chicken.
Which side is the food? Which side is it? Yeah? Chicken big, you think it's all like?
You know, I put it like this.
Yeah, give me fried on it a bit more. Good one? Right, so you ready? No man! Believe! Oh!
In the curry now, so this is the curry chicken, and the rice is on the fire right now.